Whoa, Audrey! How do you like your new airplane? How do you like it? Is that from Grandma and Grandpa? Yeah, the Elmo. Where are you going? Where are you going? Whoa! Did you hit a road bump? Did you hit a road bump? Oh! Look at that. Oops, I just hit you in the chin. How does it work? How does it work? Does Elmo drive? Whoa! Do you want to get on? Do you want to get on? Yeah, is it fun? You want to get on and steer? You see Elmo's driving with you? Yeah, he drives with you. And the eyeballs move. Yeah, the eyeballs moving. Here, do you want to get on and ride? Here you go. There you go. Are you steering? Are you steering? Okay, beep beep. Look out, puppies. Look out, puppies. Here it goes. You look just like Daddy flying his airplane. Good job. Come on. You gotta start. You're on the runway. You gotta start pedaling. Say we love you. Mwah. Thank you for the airplane, Grandma and Grandpa. Bye-bye. Bye, Elmo. Bye, Audrey. See you later. We love you.